To get started, open the Apple App Store on your iPhone. Please note, the iPAR app is currently only available on Apple devices. In the search bar, type iPAR UC Davis and download the app. Once installed, open the app. If you're a new user, select Create New Account to register and log in. After logging in, tap the plus sign in the top right corner to start a new session. You can now enter basic information for your project, including a session name, past yield, last year's par value, and whether cover crops are present. Next, fill in the spacing options. These include row spacing, tree spacing, the crop being grown, and the irrigation system. Be sure to complete all required fields before saving and proceeding. To add images to your project, select New Image. This allows you to choose photos directly from your iPhone's photo library. For best results, make sure your image was taken around solar noon. Once an image is selected, you'll be prompted to create a polygon. Move each of the four corners of the polygon to the base of a tree in the image. If you're using multiple images, you'll need to draw a separate polygon for each one. If you have just one image, you can tap Process to analyze it immediately. For multiple images, it's best to save the coordinates for each one first. Then return to the project home screen and tap Generate Report once all images are ready. After processing, the app will generate a summary report in Excel CSV format. You will then be given the option to email the report directly from the app. Thank you for using the iPAR app. If you have questions or need assistance, please contact Dr. Isaiah Kaseka at the email on the screen.